Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Being a Programmer. In today's video, we will learn how to install Android Studio and Windows on Windows step by step. So let's see the short information about Android Studio. So it is the official software used to develop Android application, as well as this is the official IDE for Android app development provided by the Google. So it allows developers to design Android application interfaces. That is, you can create multiple user interfaces using Android Studio, as well as we write the code using two programming languages. One is Java and another is Kotlin. So uh, it also provide testing feature. We test the application using an Android emulator. So what is Android emulator? So under the Android emulator, uh, Android Studio provide Android virtual device, that is AVD, that is used to test the application without any physical device. We did not require any physical device to test your application. Here, by using the emulator, there is a virtual device available, so we test our application using that virtual device. Also, we debug our code. So this is the basic features provided by Android Studio regarding Android application development. So this is the basic information which is need before installing the Android Studio. So let's start with the installation process. So first upon, open your choice browser which will install on your operating system and just search Android Studio for Windows. Go with the official website of Android Studio. So this is the first website, which is https://developers.android.com. So we have to click on this first website. Once you click on this first website, here is the front page open in front of you, which is download Android Studio. And here is the basic information regarding to Android Studio. Here this is the IDE for Android app development, and accelerated with Gemini, as well as AI powered coding companion is available. So this is the basic information. So simply click on this download button. Once you click on this download button, here are some terms and conditions you have to accept. So simply scroll down and click this checkbox and simply download. Once you start your download, here is the setup downloading. So it takes some time, so just wait for this. Then open the downloaded Android Studio setup file. So here is our setup file. Simply double click on this. So do you want to run this file? Here is a question, so click on run button. Please wait while setup is loading. You are able to see here is a welcome window for Android Studio setup. Just click on next button. Once you click on next button, then select the component Android Studio as well as AVD, that is Android virtual device. It is also known as emulator. So we select both the options and click on next button. Here is the installation location available. So in C drive program files, there is Android folder, and under this Android Studio configuration setting files are available. So click on next button. If you want to change this location, then choose this browse option. Otherwise click on next button. And if you do not want to create shortcut, then click this checkbox. Otherwise click on install button. This installation process may take few minutes, so wait for this. You are able to see here is our installation process started. So wait to complete the installation process. Installation is completed, then this type of window is open in front of you. Setup was completed successfully, then just click on next button. Once you click on next button, Android Studio has been installed on your computer successfully, so click on finish button. After that, once we click on finish button, button, then our Android Studio is open. So let's download the Android virtual device, that is AVD, for um, test our application. So once open your Android Studio, here is the option of device manager. So click on this device manager, and here is the plus sign, so click on this. Here is the option to create virtual device. Click on this. There are some choices which you want to download as a virtual device. Select particular. So we download here Pixel 7 Pro. Select that, click on next button, and then click on finish button. Once you click on finish button, here is your AVD downloading. Wait for some moment. Once it will be done, here is our Pixel 7 Pro virtual device available. So let's verify our installation is successfully done or not. So here is the main menu. Click on this. Here is a file option, then new, and here is a new project option. So click on this. Select empty views activity, then click on next. Here provide your application name. Suppose I provide here my first application. According to this, your package is generated com.example. Your project name, which is first application. Here is a save location under C drive users, then Android Studio projects, and under this your first application is saved. If you want to create the project in Java language, then select Java. Otherwise, here is a by default language, which is Kotlin. So according to your project, here is the minimum SDK version you have to select. But I suggest you to stay with this suggested SDK version, because it will run on approximate 98 to 99% devices. So click on finish button. Once you click on finish button, if the project opens successfully, then Android Studio is installed correctly. And here you have to see there is XML file as well as there is a Java file open successfully. Our project opens successfully. That means we install Android Studio correctly. In this video, we'll learn how to download and install Android Studio step by step. In next video, we'll learn how to create your first Android application using Android Studio. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.